Okay, I'm using my Crosman F4. I'm shooting at 15 yards with the H&N Field Target Trophy greens, the lead-free. And right there's a 10-shot group. Okay. And so that's they're coming out of that gun like, you know, most of them are over 1,100 feet per second. So it's like, it's too fast. So I'm gonna have to find another rifle to shoot these pellets in. That's just too fast. I'm losing accuracy with them. But it is a good pellet, I guess. They're grouping okay for as fast as they're going. And so I'm going to post these two videos together. One with the chronograph and then this one right here. So this is my Walmart special $55 rifle. Normally $78. And it's not on the Crosman website. So this is the Crosman F4. This is a replacement one. The first one didn't function very well. This one functions super good. I just have the regular scope on it. And it shoots just under 1,000 feet per second with the pointed Crosman pellets or the destroyer Crosman pellets. So it really's got a lot of power. So Crosman advertises 1,000 feet per second with the pointed pellets, the 7.4 grain. And I'm shooting outside, and mine's getting 980 something, close to 990. So it is a pretty powerful rifle. A few times I went over 1,000 feet per second with the 7.4 grain, so it can get there. Well, that's it.